औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलामु अलैकुम। चूँकि पतमस क्लास मज पढ़ाव फर्स्ट taxonomic aid यात वन taxonomic keys। Today we will take up the second this taxonomic aid यात वन botanical gardens। यानी अजुक topic botanical gardens। We will see what are these botanical gardens। चूँकि यथ कन जाना गार्डन गार्डन कत जाय वन गार्डन गई सह जाय ये वायर वी ग्रो प्लांट्स यानी वायर वी ग्रो प्लांट्स a place वायर वी ग्रो प्लांट्स तथ वन गार्डन। मगर यह बॉटनिकल गार्डन या दैट इज नॉट दैट गार्डन दैट इज नॉट ए सिंपल गार्डन बट what this botanical garden is we will see this these botanical gardens these are the institutions located in an enclosed piece of land where we grow various plants of different groups in their natural habitats for botanical studies conservation public education on-site teaching aesthetics and recreation तो वो क्या लूख यानी botanical gardens these are the institutions and these are not the simple gardens yet kan baki garden where we grow plants or where we grow trees these are the institution matlab go yath maz multi purpose kaam asan gasa yath maz plant ye grow asan karan balki beit asan ke cheez to institution use bu bron explain kar here we will see these are the institutions hasa tum institution which are located in an enclosed piece of land yem hasa taman jayan which are enclosed which are protected which are enclosed pieces of land yem hasa enclosed asa these are enclosed pieces of land and in these enclosed pieces of land we grow various plants of different groups मुख्तलिफ plant वारिया कुल मुख्तलिफ ग्रुपन we have different groups of plants we have many groups of plants we grow these plants the different plants of different groups in these institutions in their natural habitats and we provide them those conditions which they get in their natural condition in their where they grow widely and tam conditions provide kara yem nature man mela yem tem jay mela yetem wild grow kara yani we are providing them those conditions which are beneficial for them which are suitable for them natural habitats and in their natural habitats actually natural habitat but we are providing them conditions in such a way that we make these botanical gardens like natural habitats for them actually these are not natural habitats for them but we make these botanical gardens natural habitats for them so amuk main muda to maqsad kya cha for botanical studies ताकि यम हसा इस botanical studies जरूरत to study plants botanical study means study about plants and study about the morphology of plants study about the anatomy of plants study about the physiology of plants study about the cytology of plants study about the ecology of plants is from botanical studies is kya kara is hasa aman botanical garden mudat maqsad kya and we study these plants we study different aspects of these plants yath is one botanical studies number second conservation is conserve plant kara some plants are at the verge of they are endangered which are at the verge of extinction अस क्या करा अगर थो widely grow करा तत कह सह तमन कुलियन नुकसान वाते सह तुम कुलियन चटित नीत सह तुम कुलियन कड़ित नीत नतीज नीर अम सत क्या तम प्लांट गसन खत्म दे विल एक्सटेंड व्हाट वी डू वी टेक दोज endangered plants and conserve them in the botanical gardens क्योंकि botanical gardens are enclosed these are protected तत हेक न कहीं तुम नुकसान वात अम पे त्रेम चीज दैट इज पब्लिक एजुकेशन यानी वी कैन अवेयर ordinary people we can aware public क्या गए आम लोग हकूक तुम aware करित about the different aspects of plants about the importance of plants public education and we will simply take people into the botanical garden तो करो तुम aware about the importance of these plants मुख्तलिफ aspects यम प्लांटन हंच तमन मुतलिक हकुन आम इंसान आम लोग हको aware करित नंबर त्रेम चीज चूरम चीज दैट इज ऑन साइट टीचिंग यानी चूंकि आम पर थ्योरी मज अकिस प्लांट्स हसा मुख्तलिफ पार्ट्स अत रूट अत स्टेम अत शूट अत लीफ अत फ्लावर्स अत फ्रूट्स पे वो अमन मुख्तलिफ मॉडिफिकेशन अमन मुख्तलिफ कस्म ये बॉटनिकल गार्डन्स मज गो अत परो ऑन बाय ऑन साइट टीचिंग यानी टीचिंग बाय ये वो प्रैक्टिकल टीचिंग यानी टीचिंग बाय ऑब्जर्विंग हावो ब्रोह कन प्रैक्टिकली अकिस स्टूडेंट्स वुच सा वन लीफ यह सा गो सिंपल लीफ यह सा गो कंपाउंड लीफ यह सा गो रूट यम हसा गई टैप रूट्स यम हसा गई एडवेंटेशियस रूट्स इथा कन हावुक मुख्तलिफ फ्रूटे कस्म इथा कन हावुक मुख्तलिफ सेटवन मॉडिफिकेशन सेटवन कस्म यानी वी कैन गिव स्टूडेंट्स practical teaching that is on site teaching by observing वुचन ब्रोह कन practical teaching वुचन तो हको aware करित हको education दित about the various aspects of the plant इथा कन aesthetics and recreation यथ कन सैरो तफरीह खतर गसा एक्सकर्शन गसा पिकनिक गसा इत कन हको अकिस बॉटनिकल गार्डनस मज गच्छित क्या बॉटनिकल गार्डन दीज प्लांट्स आर द बेस्ट प्लेसेस फॉर एस्थेटिक्स एंड रिक्रिएशन चूंकि अगर पार्कन मज तत क्या तुम पार्क कम चीज सत खूबसूरत बना तुम कुछ वो अकिस पार्क या अकिस गार्डनस या कुन सजाए ये पिकनिक गथा तथ कुछ बनावा ब्यूटीफुल तथ कुछ बनावा खूबसूरत दैट इज द प्लांट्स चूंकि अत बॉटनिकल गार्डन्स मज सारी चीज प्लांट्स सो वी कैन आल्सो गो फॉर एस्थेटिक्स एंड रिक्रिएशन इनटू ए बॉटनिकल गार्डन दिस इज व्हाट इज बॉटनिकल गार्डन नाउ ऑलरेडी उसमें वो बॉटनिकल गार्डन आर द इंस्टीट्यूशंस चूंकि वो इंस्टीट्यूट स्कूल वन इंस्टीट्यूट क्या अत इंस्टीट्यूशन मज अत बच्चे अत उस्ताद अत पियान अत क्लास रूम अत ऑफिस अत बोर्ड अत मुख्तलिफ चीज इथे कन बॉटनिकल गार्डन वो दपा दीज बॉटनिकल गार्डनस हैव देयर ओन लेबॉरेटरी प्रथ बॉटनिकल गार्डनस लेबॉरेटरी यानी लेबॉरेटरी मज क्या रिसर्च अबाउट प्लांट्स प्रथ कन बॉटनिकल गार्डन लेबॉरेटरी पन ये रिसर्च कर स्टडी कर वेरियस एस्पेक्ट्स ऑफ द प्लांट अत बॉटनिकल गार्डन लेबॉरेटरी सत लाइब्रेरी चूंकि लाइब्रेरी जरूरत ये किताब अबाउट द प्लांट्स ये मटीरियल अबाउट द प्लांट्स ताकि वो मुख्तलिफ प्लांटन मज कम फीचर्स कंपेरेटिव वी विल कंपेयर दीज फीचर्स विद द प्लांट्स विच आर ग्रोइंग इन अ बॉटनिकल गार्डन यानी इत कन मिल मुख्तलिफ एस्पेक्ट्स लाइब्रेरी मज अत बुक्स अत मिले मॉर्फोलॉजी ऑफ प्लांट मुतलिक इंफॉर्मेशन एनाटॉमी मुतलिक फिजियोलॉजी मुतलिक एंड अदर एस्पेक्ट्स मुतलिक अम लाइब्रेरी अलाव क्या बॉटनिकल गार्डन्स म्यूजियम चूंकि म्यूजियम पता यह गई स जाए ये कम द ऑब्जेक्ट्स ऑफ आर्ट नेचुरल हिस्ट्री ऑब्जेक्ट्स ऑफ एंटिक्विटीज ऑब्जेक्ट्स ऑफ आवर कल्चर नेचुरल हिस्ट्री तो हको अत बॉटनिकल अत म्यूजियम ये प्लांटन हंद मुख्तलिफ प्रोडक्ट्स मुख्तलिफ प्लांट्स पास्टस मज ग्रो कर या वनस मुख्तलिफ जायन ग्रो कर अत म्यूजियम वन चूंकि यह पार्न यह टेक्सॉनमिक एड डिटेलर पार्न कह यानी अत बॉटनिकल गार्डन लेबॉरेटरी अत लाइब्रेरी अत म्यूजियम बे चोरम चीज तथ वन हर्बेरियम चूंकि हर्बेरियम पार्न बह समझा तक हर्बेरियम क्या गो यानी चोरम चीज अकिस बॉटनिकल गार्डन सह हर्बेरियम तो पम चीज बॉटनिकल गार्डन ग्रीन हाउस चूंकि घरों मज ग्रीन हाउस यह ग्रीन हाउस तकिस बॉटनिकल गार्डनस ग्रीन हाउस यानी इतकन वो बॉटनिकल गार्डन यह इनिश वुचान ये लेबॉर्ट्री रिसर्च पर्न लाइब्रेरी म्यूजियम हेर्बेरियम ग्रीन हाउस Now, these botanical institutes, these botanical gardens, they are run by government, semi-government or a private organization. Yum botanical garden chu. Yach directly they are under the control of government. They are run by the government. Yeah, semi-government, yeah, a private organization. Yani botanical garden hekan botanical garden run kara control kara three agency या under the control of the government या under the control of semi government या private क्योंकि government private है समझ जमा semi government मिसाल के तौर पे J&K बैंक it is a semi government organization युस न completely government under कि मगर किस चीज इमिक government under यानी सोरी इधर private युस completely public private personal control because government is completely under every aspect of that organization or every aspect of the institution is under the government yath maj prat kan cheez private kis shakhsas under ya kis company under magar yet kya chh kih cheez government under kih cheez chh yum ath chalawach managing body kih cheez tumun döite asa now impat taba yele chunki botanical gardens maz kam chha plants ach wucha botanical gardens maz kya chh plants. In a botanical garden, every plant is labeled. Yumti plants botanical gardens manch tamanch ak label lagayit. Tamanch ak teen patra han lagayit, ak board han lagayit. Tat pet kya likhit? Tat teen patra pet kya tat label pet kya likhit? Tat pet hasa likhit botanical name of the plant. Yani scientific name of plant. Common name is plant. Yani scientific name kya chemis? Biological name क्या common नाव यह जाए botanical gardens तब common नाव क्या even चूंकि English च universal language इसलिए इस कुछ साथ English नाव इमुक लिखित था and also in addition this यानी on this level we write down its botanical name, common name, English name and also family of the plant to which it belongs. Family of the plant to which it belongs. क्योंकि family is एक important category taxonomy मज तो अथ युस ये लेवल्स इस उन प्लांटन पे लगावा अथ पे इस इन फैमिली नाव ते था नाउ चूंकि वचेस वुछा एकस बॉटनिकल गार्डनस मज इस करा ग्रो वी ग्रो हर्ब्स वी ग्रो shrubs वी ग्रो trees now some special botanical gardens are there the botanical gardens where we grow trees and shrubs only कि botanical garden च ये zui qism plant tre qism plant herbs shrubs and trees कि botanical gardens where we grow only trees and shrubs such botanical gardens where we grow only trees and shrubs these are called arboretum अमन botanical garden क्या छ वना अमन छ वना arboretum क्या छ वना arboretum यानी तम botanical garden ये सिर्फ अख trees तो बे shrubs ग्रो करा उमन छ वना arboretum now the first botanical garden yath is wona the real botanical garden the first real botanical garden it was established by Theophrastus who was father of botany. The first real botanical garden, it was established by Theophrastus 370-265 BC. Yasai were established Theophrastus. He was father of botany. Now, then he used Godinuk botanical garden. Yasai were established Theophrastus 307 lifespan 365 यानी अह दौरान हसे बनो इम Godinuk real botanical garden. इम पच इस वुचा दपा इम हसे modern botanical garden. The first modern botanical garden. यह से बनो Professor Luke Haguini Professor Luca Ghini, a professor of botany in Pisa, Italy. Pisa, Italy. And use modern botanical garden. First modern botanical garden hasai banu, yasai could establish a nafran imus now Professor Luca Ghini, kaiti Pisa, Italy in 1544. Pandasha to Soitoj Hasmazao, Gordnuk Botanical Garden, modern botanical garden established Karna, Italy was Jaishna Pisa, Italy, and it was established by Professor Luca Ghini. Now, the largest botanical garden of the world is. I am telling you some of the important points, some of the important things about botanical gardens, which are mostly asked in the examination. The largest botanical garden of the world is Royal Botanical Garden. Royal Botanical Garden, Kew, London. You sarve khod board botanical garden dunyuk chh, tach now Royal Botanical Garden. Yus London's mach, the London's mach yah jai sich tach mana Kew. Tawchatna Royal Botanical Garden, Kew. Royal Botanical, and the largest botanical garden of the world is Royal Botanical Garden, Kew, London. Actually, very important botanical gardens, but chunki syllabus ma chanam ki, isliye we will take only some important botanical gardens of India are. Some of the important botanical gardens of India are Indian Botanical Garden, Howrah, Calcutta. Important botanical garden is Hindustan is Indian Botanical Garden. Use Howrah, Calcutta. Calcutta's was a jai tach Howrah, and this botanical garden is famous for banyan trees. This botanical garden is famous for banyan. Kya is us pachme question amut कि युस हसा ये इंडियन बॉटनिकल गार्डन हावड़ा कलकत्ता कत केम प्लांट खतर फेमस दैट इज बेनियान इट इज फेमस फॉर बेनियान ट्रीज इथा कने ब्याक यथ नेशनल बॉटनिकल गार्डन लखनऊ युस नेशनल बॉटनिकल गार्डन हिंदुस्तानस मज दैट इज लोकेटेड इन लखनऊ अथ नेशनल बॉटनिकल गार्डन या नेशनल रिसर्च बॉटनिकल इंस्टीट्यूट नेशनल रिसर्च बॉटनिकल इंस्टीट्यूट यानी कुछ सात क्वेश्चन वो नेशनल बॉटनिकल गार्डन इंडिया मज सह कत दैट इज लोकेटेड इन लखनऊ इथा कन इंडियन बॉटनिकल गार्डन सह कत सह हौरा कलकत्ता मज इथा कन क्वेश्चन इंडियन बॉटनिकल गार्डन इट इज फेमस फॉर विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग प्लांट्स तक आज लिखित मुख्तलिफ प्लांटन नाव एंड इट इज फेमस फॉर banyan trees. Now another botanical garden which is located in Kashmir, botanical garden. But Prath Mulka's Pan Botanical Garden, Prath State's Pan Botanical Garden, Prath University's Pan Botanical Garden. It's a botanical garden. Now, one of the most important botanical gardens which is located in Kashmir, that is located in Chishma Shahi Botanical Garden, located in Chishma Shahi Hills. Chishma Shahi Hills, Srinagar. Chishma Shahi Hills, Srinagar. That is the Botanical Garden of Kashmir, which is located in Chishma Shahi Hills, Srinagar. Use tulip gardens, bilkul search. Tulip gardens, that is the world famous garden. Yes, tulip garden manaj. Bilkul tulip gardens, the Chishma Shahi Hill Botanical Garden. That is the Botanical Garden of Kashmir. Among akai boundary, manj devar akoi. This Chishma Shahi Hills Botanical Garden, which is located in the Srinagar. This is the important botanical garden of Kashmir. Now, one important thing about the botanical gardens, a botanical garden, that is one of hanging gardens of Babylon. Additional information that we have, hanging botanical garden of Babylon. Babylon, it is considered to be one of the seven wonders. One of the seven wonders. It can be seven wonders of the world. this hanging botanical garden of Babylon is considered to be one of the 7 wonders of ancient world by Greek scholars. Yum Greek scholars chunki zyadatar kaam yus botany mas gam that was done by Greek scholars. The Greek scholars yus hasa hanging botanical garden Babylon's man chu. This is considered to be one of the 7 wonders of ancient world by Greek scholars. This is the introduction and other aspects of botanical gardens. Now we will take importance of botanical garden. I suppose botanical garden kya gao? Yah se एक institution, yah में एक laboratory चासा, एक library चासा, एक museum चासा, एक greenhouse चासा, एक herbarium चासा. ये botanical garden it is run by a government, semi-government or a private organization. ऐसा करने मुझे in a botanical garden every plant we find that is labeled. तास्त label पे क्या? We find the botanical name of the plant, common name of the plant, English name of the plant, and also family of the plant to which it belongs. A botanical garden which is exclusively growing trees and shrubs only, that is called arboretum. One of the largest one was the first real botanical garden. It was established by Theophrastus, father of botany. One of the modern botanical gardens, it was established by Professor Luca Gani in Pisa, Italy in 1544. The largest botanical garden of the world is that is Royal Botanical Garden, Kew, London. Important botanical gardens immediate, that is Indian Botanical Garden, Howrah, Calcutta, which is famous for banyan trees. Another botanical garden, National Botanical Garden, Lucknow, that is Natural Research Institute of Botany. Kashmir is important botanical garden, that is Chashma Shahi Hills, botanical garden, which is located in the Chashma Shahi Hills near this tulip garden, world famous tulip garden. Kashmir University botanical garden. Now we will take up a little summary of importance of botanical gardens. Importance of botanical gardens. Importance in botanical gardens. Number first, they act as the storehouse of materials for botanical research. Botanical garden act as storehouse of materials for botanical research. Because materials as botanical research plant laboratory library herbarium, they are all found in botanical garden. So we can say in short that the storehouse of materials for botanical research. Number botanical studies and botanical research. Number they act as the best centers for the conservation of endangered species. Conservation of endangered and some species which are at the verge of extinction, which are going wild, we bring them and grow them in botanical gardens. In this way we conserve them. They are the best centers for growing and maintenance of local flora. Flora kya hai? Plant population of an area. You say local plant population area grow to maintain botanical gardens. Because yeles nebratam thawuk tach tamar khatra, tach road nera makan se banawa, mukhtalif activities is kara. Them search yim plant population khatam gatha. We can grow and maintain the flora of a local area in a botanical garden. They are the best acclimatization centers. Best acclimatization centers for exotic species of economic importance. For exotic species of economic importance. Yim hasa is never pet important, economically important plant species anan chh. Because we have to acclimatize them, we have to adopt them, we have to banaun at qable ki hekan adjust karit, hekan grow karit. To tem khatr as best place, that is botanical garden. Tait wucha, emis mukhtalif experiments wucha, emis kus चीज जरूरत, अमिस कुस जमीन जरूरत, अमिस कम साथ इरिगेशन आई जरूरत, अमिस कम साथ खाद त्रावन या कुस चीज जरूरत, where we make it to adopt, that is called as the best acclimatization centers. In addition, आज वारिया importance, तो I will tell you in short summary, and they provide us the help in public education, use guidance में definition मानते लिखमत, on-site teaching में समझे में छ, ecology, चूँकि plants maintain ecological balance, ecology, allow use recreation and aesthetics. I think this is all about the botanical gardeners. Inshallah, in the next lecture we will take up herbarium. This is all for today. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.